Abby and Brittany Hensel, the conjoined twins whose incredible life journey has captivated the world, have always been a symbol of resilience, unity, and strength. Born in 1990 in Minnesota, the pair are dicephalic parapagous twins, meaning they share a single body with two distinct heads, individual personalities, and unique preferences. Despite their shared anatomy, they have lived an extraordinary life, demonstrating unparalleled cooperation and mutual respect. From appearing on talk shows and documentaries to living a life of independence and even becoming teachers, Abby and Brittany have defied odds and inspired millions. Over the years, the public followed their lives with a mix of fascination and admiration, often wondering about the challenges they faced and whether they would ever opt for separation. Now, after decades of living as conjoined twins, a groundbreaking medical procedure has, for the first time, given them separate lives. This story explores the journey leading up to their historic separation, the complexities surrounding their decision, and the new chapter they are embarking on individually. The decision to pursue separation. For most of their lives, Abby and Brittany had expressed no desire to be separated. Their bond, both physical and emotional, was a defining aspect of their existence. They had developed a remarkable system of coordination, each controlling one side of their shared body, working in harmony to accomplish everyday tasks that others take for granted. Whether it was walking, driving, or teaching, their teamwork was nothing short of astonishing. However, as they entered their 30s, the sisters began to reconsider the possibility of living separate lives. This shift wasn't driven by dissatisfaction but rather by their individual aspirations and the natural desire for personal independence. Both Abby and Brittany had unique dreams and goals that were increasingly difficult to pursue while sharing a body. While they had managed to navigate their differences with grace, the physical limitations of being conjoined were becoming more apparent as they aged. The decision to pursue separation wasn't made lightly. It was the result of years of thoughtful discussion, consultations with medical experts, and deep introspection. Abby and Brittany knew the risks involved. Separating conjoined twins is one of the most complex and delicate procedures in medicine, and the stakes were particularly high for them due to the extent of their shared anatomy. Yet, the sisters were determined to explore this uncharted path, driven by the belief that their bond would remain unbreakable, even in separate bodies. The medical breakthrough. The possibility of separation for Abby and Brittany had long been considered unfeasible due to the complexities of their physiology. They shared numerous vital organs, including a liver, reproductive system, and parts of their digestive tract. Additionally, their circulatory and skeletal systems were intricately connected. For decades, medical professionals deemed separation too risky, as it could jeopardize their lives or leave one or both severely impaired. Advancements in medical technology and surgical techniques, however, changed the landscape. A team of specialists, including surgeons, anesthesiologists, and rehabilitation experts, spent years studying Abby and Brittany's anatomy, conducting detailed scans and simulations to map out the most precise surgical plan possible. Breakthroughs in regenerative medicine and tissue engineering also played a crucial role, enabling the creation of custom implants and bioengineered tissues to replace shared organs post-separation. The procedure itself would be a multi-stage process, requiring months of preparation and rehabilitation. It was not just a physical separation but also a psychological journey, as both Abby and Brittany had to mentally prepare for a reality they had never experienced before. Despite the immense challenges ahead, the sisters were unwavering in their resolve. The surgery. The day of the surgery marked a historic moment in medical science and the lives of Abby and Brittany. A team of over 50 medical professionals gathered in a state-of-the-art surgical facility equipped with the latest technology. The procedure, which spanned several days, was conducted in stages to minimize risk and allow the sisters' bodies to adjust gradually. The first stage involved separating their circulatory and digestive systems, a painstakingly precise process that required microsurgery and advanced imaging techniques. Surgeons worked around the clock, carefully detangling blood vessels and nerves while ensuring that both Abby and Brittany's individual systems could function independently. The second stage focused on their skeletal structure. Engineers had designed custom prosthetics to support their spines post-separation, ensuring mobility and stability. This phase required extraordinary precision, as even the slightest error could have long-term repercussions. Finally, the shared organs were divided or reconstructed using bioengineered tissues. This phase was the most critical, as it determined the long-term health and functionality of both sisters. The success of the surgery was a testament to the skill and dedication of the medical team, as well as the strength and determination of Abby and Brittany themselves. The aftermath. The days and weeks following the surgery were a whirlwind of emotions. For the first time in their lives, Abby and Brittany were experiencing the world as individuals. Simple acts like moving an arm or sitting up were monumental achievements, requiring extensive physical therapy and rehabilitation. Emotionally, the transition was equally profound. While they had always been close, the separation introduced a new dynamic to their relationship. They could now explore their individuality in ways that had previously been impossible. Abby, with her love for math and structure, began to delve deeper into her academic pursuits, while Brittany, with her artistic flair, embraced opportunities to express her creativity. Despite the challenges, the sisters remained each other's greatest support system. They often joked that while they might be in separate bodies now, their minds were still as connected as ever. Their bond, forged through a lifetime of shared experiences, was unbreakable. The impact. The separation of Abby and Brittany Hensel was more than just a personal milestone, it was a groundbreaking achievement in the field of medicine and a powerful story of human resilience. Their journey inspired millions around the world, highlighting the importance of perseverance, adaptability, and the strength of the human spirit. For the medical community, the procedure opened new doors, paving the way for future advancements in the treatment of conjoined twins and other complex medical conditions. It demonstrated the potential of cutting-edge technology and interdisciplinary collaboration to achieve what was once considered impossible. For Abby and Brittany, the separation marked the beginning of a new chapter filled with possibilities. While they continued to face challenges, their unwavering determination and positive outlook ensured that they approached each day with hope and gratitude. A life redefined. Today, Abby and Brittany are thriving in their respective lives. They continue to share a deep connection, often working together on projects and supporting each other through life's ups and downs. Their story is a testament to the power of love, resilience, and the unbreakable bond of sisterhood. Their separation was not an end but a transformation, a chance to explore their individuality while honoring the unique journey that brought them to this point. Abby and Brittany Hensel will forever be remembered not just for their extraordinary circumstances but for the courage and grace with which they embraced life, together and apart.